We all want to see everything clearly, every face, every color, every little detail around us. But our eyesight is giving us a tough time, and we can't help it without glasses. This is what most people believe, that once your eyesight gets weak, there's no going back. Well, that's so wrong. The truth is, your eyes can heal, and you can actually improve your vision naturally, just by making simple changes in your daily routine. Nothing is impossible in this world. You can do everything, but it all depends on how much effort you put to achieve your desired results. Just keep that one thing in your mind. If you want to achieve anything, whether it's gaining back your excellent vision or getting a dream life, all you need to do is never give up. Just keep doing it. Be consistent. Nothing comes overnight. But if you stick with it, put your efforts in it. Nothing can stop you from success. Well, moving towards today's video, I am going to share my top 5 powerful drinks made from simple ingredients that can help strengthen your eyesight, protect your eyes from damage, and keep your vision sharp for years to come. So, without wasting any time, let's jump to the drinks. 1. Carrot and orange juice. The vitamin A booster. Let's start with the most classic combo: carrot and orange juice. Carrots are packed with beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A, a key nutrient for clear vision, especially at night. Adding oranges makes it even better. The vitamin C in oranges protects your eyes from oxidative damage and helps prevent cataracts. How to make it? Blend 2 carrots with 1 orange and half a cup of water. Drink this every morning for a natural vision boost. 2. Spinach and kale smoothie. The green shield. Spinach and kale are loaded with lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants that act like natural sunglasses. They protect your retina from harmful UV rays and reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration, one of the main causes of vision loss. How to make it? Blend a handful of spinach, a few kale leaves, half a banana, and some coconut water. It's not just good for your eyes, it's amazing for your skin too. 3. Blueberry smoothie. The eye protector. Blueberries are small but mighty. They're rich in anthocyanins, compounds that improve blood circulation in the tiny vessels of your eyes. They also help reduce eye fatigue. Perfect if you spend long hours on your phone or computer. How to make it? Blend half a cup of blueberries with Greek yogurt, a few almonds, and some honey. A perfect morning or evening snack that keeps your eyes fresh and active. 4. Amla drink. The vitamin C powerhouse. Amla, also known as Indian gooseberry, is one of the best natural sources of vitamin C. It boosts collagen in your eye tissues, strengthens eye muscles, and helps prevent early vision loss. How to make it? Mix 2 tablespoons of Amla juice in a glass of lukewarm water with a teaspoon of honey. Drink it on an empty stomach. It's a miracle tonic for your eyes and your immune system. 5. Turmeric and almond milk. The anti-inflammatory eye tonic. And finally, a golden drink before bedtime. Turmeric and almond milk. Turmeric's curcumin fights inflammation and protects your retina from damage, while almonds provide vitamin E and healthy fats that nourish your optic nerves. How to make it? Warm a cup of almond milk, add half a teaspoon of turmeric and a pinch of black pepper. Stir and enjoy before bed. It's soothing, delicious, and great for your vision. Remember, your eyes can heal naturally if you nourish them the right way. Start adding one of these drinks to your daily routine, and you'll soon notice clearer, sharper, and more relaxed vision. Because your journey to better eyesight starts with a single sip. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple and natural health tips.